I'm Cassie. I'm gonna make fig bars. This is Siri, this is Kevin, and these are the figs. They're the most important part. Ready? To make a filling of fig bars, you're gonna need a pound of loosely packed figs, dried, half a pound of walnuts, a lemon, and some sugar. When you're chopping up the figs and the walnuts to go into the food processor, it needs to be a rough chop to speed up the process so that it becomes a nice paste and you don't break your food processor.
What kind of figs are these?
These are excellent organic figs.
They're very moist.
They're delicious.
Well, I'm excited.
Oh, Kevin. You're such a laugh riot. Now we have to process them. So just enough so it's finely chopped, a little mixed together. Turn it into a saucepan, put it on the stove over medium-high heat. Then we're going to add a half a cup of water and a third of a cup of sugar. Now we zest half a lemon into the mixture. Good job, Kevin.
Thanks, Cassie.
You're an excellent assistant. And we're gonna add lemon juice to the final mixture as it stirs. Stir slowly on medium-high heat until it congeals into a paste. It takes about 5 to 8 minutes. When it's finished cooking, it should look like a fig paste like this. It should be sticky, basically a jam. While we're making the filling,
Oh, the filling.
we're also going to make the dough that we're going to wrap around the filling, which makes it like a fig bar.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's just fig jam. We need a half cup each of plain white sugar and tightly packed brown sugar. And we're going to cream that together with half a cup of butter. Now we're going to add a capful of vanilla and 2 eggs. While the wet ingredients are being creamed, you'll need to mix all the dry ingredients in a separate bowl. You'll need 1 cup and 1/4 of white flour, 1 cup of wheat flour, 1/4 of a cup of wheat germ, and 1/4 of a tablespoon each of baking soda and salt. Once you've mixed those ingredients in a separate bowl, you'll add them slowly to the wet ingredients so that they mix in and form a nice dough. When you're done mixing the dough, wrap it tightly in saran wrap and refrigerate it for at least an hour, preferably overnight if you have the time, so that you can handle it easily enough to cut it and roll it. Well, the important part about this step is to make sure that you turn it on a well-floured surface because the dough is going to be really sticky. When you're rolling this out, you're going to want to make it into as square of a shape as possible because you're going to be cutting it into strips as well to fold the fruit into. So this is perfect. Siri just did a great job.
Looks like the state of Utah.
Next, what we're going to do is cut this final square into even strips, as many as will fit across. We're going to take the filling that we prepared and set aside earlier, and we're going to fill the center of each strip with fruit filling. Pull up the edges of the strip and fold them gently over the fruit filling. You're just going to start shaping it with your hands into a bar. You kind of just shape it into a log. This is what a pre-baked bar should look like. Go ahead and put them on an ungreased cookie sheet, and then we're going to put them to cook in an oven, preheated to 375 degrees, and they'll bake for 20 minutes. And that's the end of that.
Fig bar.
Oh, it's been 20 minutes.
Well, good thing I'm in the same position.
We're all ready to receive the fig bar. Oh my God, the finished fig bar. I'm Cassie, and you just learned how to make fig bars with my friends Kevin and Siri and I.